Hi everyone, so the question is infinite quarters, and again we are going to solve this puzzle now, right? So in this question you're given you are wearing a blindfold and thick gloves, which means you cannot see or you cannot feel, and an infinite number of coins. So coins you can treat as quarters is just nothing but a coin, are laid out before you on a table on an infinite area. So there are infinite number of coins laid on a table in front of you, and someone tells you that 20 of these quarters are tails. So exactly 20 out of infinite are tails. So you have some coins in which tail is written on it, right? So now your task is you want to split these quarters into two piles where the number of tails is same, right? So you want to partition this into two parts such that number of tails in both the parts is exactly same, right? So kindly note that you have infinite coins, you cannot divide all the coins. So clearly you have to do something in the finite number of times with finite number of coins, right? So this is the game, and you are allowed to move the quarters. And what are the rules, right? So what are the things you can do with these coins, right? So you are allowed to move the quarters, so you can move these coins here and there, and you can also flip them. You can also topple. If it is showing head, you can topple to show it, make it tail, right? And but you never know what is the state of the quarter, since you cannot see what is the coin, or you cannot feel. The gloves prevent you from feeling which side is head or tail, so you cannot feel it, is it head or tail, right? So the task is, how do you partition the quarters so that you can win them all, right? So in order to win all the coins, you need to decide this partition, right? So I hope you worked hard, you will think of the solution, and now I will discuss the solution, right? So the idea is, if you partition, right, if you pick any 20 coins out of it, okay, so this is an infinite pool, you can pick any 20 coins out of it, right? Let's say these are the 20 coins you have picked out of by making this partition, right? So these 20 coins will have x number of tails, okay, where x can lie between 0 and 20, right? In the worst case there won't be any tail, in the another worst case there would be all the tails, right? So there can be any number of tails, you do not know, right? So let's say you have x number of tails in this set of 20 coins that you have picked. So what is the number of tails you will have in the remaining pool, right? In the remaining pool, clearly you will have 20 minus x tails, because it is given total number of tails is 20. So if in this part you have x number of tails, the remaining tails in this part will be 20 minus x. Now what I will do next is, I will flip all these 20 coins, right? So first step is pick any 20 coins. Second step is flip these 20 coins. So if you flip these 20 coins, how many tails you will get? Clearly you will get 20 minus x tails, right? Because initially if you have 20 coins which let's say for example they contained 15 heads and 5 tails, right? So you would have 15 tails in the remaining part, right? So if you flip all of these 20 coins, you will get 5 heads and you will get 15 tails, right? So that makes number of tails exactly equal in both the parts, right? And this is how we have solved this puzzle. And in both the parts now you have 20 minus x number of tails, hence this number is equal. And this is how we solve this infinite quarters puzzle. Hope you liked it.